Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Design Excellence. So friends, today we are going to make this exercise with the help of this sketch, and this is our exercise number 18, and you can also download this exercise from GrabCAD link. And if you have any doubts, then please comment and please like, share and subscribe my channel for more tutorials. So let's start. So friends, firstly we draw this portion, after that this one, and this portion is our last portion. Okay, so kindly note the dimension. This is 28, 15 and 50 millimeter. Okay, just take a plane and draw two circles. Okay, dimension, this is 15 millimeter and this one is 28 millimeter. Okay, finish sketch, extrude 50 millimeter. Okay, first portion is ready. Now we are going to make this portion. This is center 45, 50, 35 and 7 millimeter extruded from this portion is 6 millimeter from this face and 5 millimeter from center. Okay, so just take a plane, click on this face and take a plane, flip direction and 6 millimeter. Okay, now go to plane 1 and normal 2 and take extrude and draw two circle. Okay, smart dimension, this is 50 and this one is 35. Center distance is 45 millimeter. Okay, now draw a center line. Okay, offset 5 millimeter upper side. Okay, now go to trim the extra portion. Okay, we have to fix this, should be vertical. Okay, finish sketch and go to extrude, flip direction and distance is 7 millimeter. Okay, now we are going to make this rib. Okay, this is 5 millimeter thickness, so we have to take a plane. Okay, hide the plane. First click on this face and take a plane. Okay, flip direction 1 millimeter and okay. Okay, go to sketch and click on sketch, click on this plane and convert the entities. First click on both faces and convert entities. Okay, sketch 3 to be normal and draw line, it should be vertical. Okay, one more line. Now dimension, this dimension is 10 millimeter and total dimension is 20 millimeter. Okay, now trim the extra portion. Okay, finish sketch, go to feature and extrude, click on this sketch, flip direction and distance is 5 millimeter and OK. So our rib is complete. Now 5 millimeter radius from both direction. Okay, let's make a fillet. Click on this face, this edge and this edge, this and this one. Okay, click. Oh, distance is 5 millimeter and click OK. Okay, now hide this plane. Okay, now we have to make this portion. This is 30° from vertical. Okay, and distance is 50 minus 12, 38 millimeter from this face. Okay, 10 millimeter is the height of this portion and distance is 35 plus 30, 75. Okay, so click on this face and take a plane, flip direction and distance is 38 millimeter. Click OK. Plane 3 and normal 2. Now go to sketch and draw some center lines. Okay, one vertical center line. It should be construction. Okay, now one more center line. It should be construction. Okay, and the angle from this vertical is 30°. Okay, click OK. Now we have to take a offset of 5 millimeter on this side and this side. Okay, now we have to take this face as convert entities and close this portion. Okay, now this dimension from that center is 75 millimeter. Okay, now trim the extra portion. Okay, click OK, and we have to fix this portion. Let's give this dimension and we have to take the 75 millimeter again. Okay, finish sketch and feature and extrude. It should be from this direction. Okay, let's extrude again. This is our 30 millimeter. Okay, no problem. extrude, click on the sketch and reverse direction, and this distance is 30 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, now we have to cut this portion. This is our 12 millimeter this thickness, okay, and 30 millimeter. Okay, let's hide the plane first. Go to this face and normal to and draw a rectangle. Okay, and this dimension is 30 millimeter, and this direction, this distance is 12. Okay, now finish sketch and feature, cut extrude. Okay, and through all. Okay, now we have to make the circle 15 millimeter dia, and from 15 millimeter from this side. Okay, go to this face again and normal to, take extrude cut and draw a circle. Let's dimension 15 millimeter, 15 millimeter from this side, and from this direction is also 15 millimeter. Okay, through all, click OK. Okay, now let's have some fillet 2 millimeter. Okay, go to fillet and click on this edge and this edge, this edge and this edge, and it should be 2 millimeter. Okay, this edge and this edge 2 millimeter. Okay, so our exercise is complete, I think. Okay, so if you have any doubts, then please comment, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.